Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to change language back to English in Facebook. So first of all, launch open Facebook application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here right now the language is not English. So if you want to change it back to English, simply tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the menu interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. Simply scroll down. Over here you'll be able to find the gear icon with written settings and privacy. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for language. If you do not know which is the option for language, simply search for this icon. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now you'll be able to change the language. You'll be able to find the option for English over here. You'll be able to find two options of UK and normal English. So simply tap on the English language of your choice. Now after that you can see over here the language will be changed. So that is how you change language back to English in Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.